Hello there and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, we'll show you how to use affirmations to manifest success. Mindset is key to manifesting the things you desire. Sometimes limiting beliefs cause us to stand in our own way of our manifestations. While words are powerful, how you use them is key to manifesting success. Before we begin, what does it mean to manifest? Simply put, it means bringing your desires into reality. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with what you want to attract into your life. And affirmations can be a powerful tool in helping you achieve this. But it's important to understand that affirmations alone won't magically manifest your desires. The brain learns through action, not words alone. That's why it's best to say affirmations when you're taking action that aligns with the words you're saying. For example, if you're trying to drink more water as part of a healthy lifestyle, say an affirmation after you drink water, such as, "I am worthy of a healthy body and love drinking more water." This helps reinforce the affirmation and makes it more impactful. Affirmations can help create new neural pathways by positively reinforcing desired behaviors and beliefs. As you repeat affirmations that align with your goals, you train your brain to focus on those thoughts and beliefs, helping to establish them as new habits. The repetition of affirmations helps to create new connections in the brain, making it easier to act on your affirmations and turn them into habits. Over time, the repetition of affirmations can create a stronger neural network dedicated to the desired behavior or belief, making it easier to adopt it as a habit. In this way, affirmations can help to create new neural pathways and promote the formation of new habits that support your goals and desires. Affirmations influence your subconscious beliefs, and the more you repeat them, and more importantly, the more you believe them, the more power that they have. So, choose affirmations that help you boost your belief in areas of your life where you might not feel so confident. Your goal is to balance and raise these aspects of yourself a little higher. Leave some positive affirmations that you want to repeat to yourself in the comments. Here are some examples. I am worthy and deserving of all good things in life. I am confident and capable of achieving my goals. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I trust the universe to bring me abundance in all areas of my life. I am strong and resilient, and I can overcome any challenge. As you repeat these affirmations, think of valid reasons why they might just be true. This will help you to cement them as real beliefs and increase their power to influence your life and manifesting abilities. It's important to remember that things won't change all at once. Manifesting is a long-term effort, so don't get discouraged if you don't see the results immediately. The goal is to build the habit of building yourself up, rather than tearing yourself down, and this is crucial to manifest masterfully. In conclusion, affirmations can be a powerful tool to help you bring your desires into reality. Remember to align your words with your actions. Choose affirmations that help you boost your belief in areas where you might not feel confident, and build the habit of building yourself up. With time and persistence, you will see the magic of affirmations and manifesting in your life. Staying aligned with your desires can be challenging, especially when you feel discouraged. However, it's crucial to keep your focus on your affirmations and stay positive in order to manifest your desires. When you're feeling down, take thoughtful action to raise your vibrations, such as meditating, doing yoga, spending time in nature, or surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people. These actions can help shift your focus away from negative thoughts and bring you back to a place of positivity and alignment with your affirmations. Additionally, repeating your affirmations regularly, especially during these moments of doubt, can help you keep focused on your goals and maintain your alignment with your desires. Remember, manifesting is a journey, and it's okay to have ups and downs along the way. With persistence and a positive mindset, you can stay aligned with your desires and bring them into your reality. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.